Everybody is familiar with the feeling that things are not good enough. A chronic dissatisfaction that makes you look outwards with envy and inwards with disappointment. In hopes to come up with a solution, scientists begin to ask, why are some people happier and more satisfied than others? The answer to this is gratitude. Gratitude is a positive emotion felt after being the beneficiary of some sort of gift. It is also a social emotion, often directed towards a person or felt towards a higher power. You can feel grateful towards someone who did something for you or for random events like the weather or nature. Thanklessness deprives people of the emotional rewards of gratitude. In this documentary, we are going to look towards tangible ways on how to cultivate a more appreciable state of being. Gratitude journaling. Write down 5 good things about your life on a paper. It can be about your past achievements or your present efforts, your talents, and your virtues. Do not hesitate to be happy. If you feel happy, don't shy away from it. Remind yourself that you have worked hard enough to achieve this and you truly deserve it. Practice mindfulness. Doing this every day will rewire your brain to be naturally more grateful, and you'll start feeling happier after every session. Spend time with your loved ones. Of course, it will help you grow closer to them and strengthen your relationship, but it will also give you a chance to practice your acts of gratitude on people that you care about. Now, here are the benefits for having a thankful mindset. It helps improve sleep quality. It aids in stress regulation. In 1998, one of the studies on gratitude and appreciation found that participants who felt grateful showed a marked reduction in the level of cortisol, the stress hormone. They had better cardiac functioning and were more resilient to emotional setbacks and negative experiences. Gratitude reduces anxiety and depression. Such practices are especially effective for treating phobias like death anxiety, PTSD, social phobia, and nihilism. A study on depressive patients showed that those who practiced gratitude exercises recovered sooner and felt more motivated to bounce back from their distress. As a result, people who keep a gratitude journal or use verbal expressions for the same are more empathetic and positive-minded by nature. By being more grateful on the inside and expressing it on the outside, we gain the power to combat and cope with the stress. Being thankful is synonymous to expressing our feelings for others and ourselves. By simple words of love and praise, we not only make others feel good, but we also feel a lot better of ourselves and our lives. Gratitude is about feeling the right way, about the right things, and at the right time. It may not give us instant relief from pain and stress, but it brings the feeling of control back to us. There are only 2 ways to live your life. One is as though nothing is a miracle, the other is as though everything is a miracle.